Chicken is slathered in a special Mexican spice paste and seared. In the same pot, onion and garlic are also sautéed. Green and red peppers are added together with black beans, corn, spices, passata, stock, and salt. And it's brought to the boil. Rice is added, and then the seared chicken is added back in, and this is cooked low and slow till it's ready to be served, garnished with some jalapeno and coriander. Let's start with a simple spice blend. Mix together 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper, a tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and once this is mixed, reserve 2 tablespoons for later. Next, add the juice of a lime, a tablespoon of oil, and mix this well together, adding salt to taste. I have 4 chicken bone-in thighs here. I've kept the skin on, but feel free to remove it. Marinate the chicken on both sides. In a Dutch oven, add some oil and heat it up. Add the chicken and sauté on both sides. Once seared, remove it and keep it aside. Add 1 cup of chopped onions and 1 tablespoon of garlic. Sauté this and then add in half a cup of diced red pepper and half a cup of diced green pepper. I'm also going to add 1 cup of cooked black beans and 1 cup of cooked corn. Add the reserved spice powder, 1 cup of passata, 1 cup of chicken stock, and mix this together. Taste for salt and add salt as required. Bring this liquid to the boil and then add in 1 cup of rice. Mix this together and add the chicken on top of the rice and scrape in all of the leftover marinade. The chicken will now fully cook together with the rice. You can cook this in the oven if you prefer, or just cook it on the stovetop like I'm doing today. Cover this and allow this to cook covered for 20 minutes. Keep stirring, making sure that nothing is stuck at the bottom. Next, I'm going to uncover it and cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the chicken to cook and the liquid to dry up. Add some slices of jalapeno and chopped coriander to serve. Enjoy.